Hello guys, welcome back to my trial video. Let's see from the daily time frame what will happen tomorrow, or what is the price action or charts showing. So Nifty is consolidating in a range. It is forming double bottom, and it is also trading near its resistance zone. So these were the trend lines I made earlier. As you can see in, let's see, in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, it is still consolidating in the same range. It broke the trend line parallel channel, but it didn't fall much. So we can think of that it if it opens here and it tries to consolidate here, and if it breaks the round level of 18,200, then only we will enter this trade. We have to see that at round levels there are chances of buying or selling. So at 200 there may be sell off, or at 100 there may be buying. Anything can happen. So we have to see in, let's see, in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame we can see that it's in the same range. It didn't go anywhere. I took one trade. It went up, but again I thought it will here it formed triple inside candles, so I entered, but it took the resistance around 200, 18,200, and fell, and again came back in the range. So we have to check if it goes here to takes some support and then gives a breakout, then it will be best for us to take a trade. We will take tomorrow. There will be expiry, so we will take trade after 1:12 or 1 p.m. Then it will be our premiums will be very low, so we can get high risk to reward ratio. This is for Nifty. So let's look for now let's look for Reliance. This was our support line for Reliance, but it broke that also, and it went a huge sell-off came here. 2.5 million shares transaction were taken place. It went downside and again went up, and again slowly took came to sell off, but it didn't do well. It did not fell very much. So buyers are still struggling to get up, and sellers are a little bit stronger, so they are taking the price slowly downside, but buyers are also trying to take the market upper side, to hold the market and take the price to upper side. So a tug of war is going on. If Reliance comes at this level, and if it goes around this, then only there are chances that Nifty can also break this level, and a bull run can come. Let's see tomorrow. Let's talk about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, again it opened gap up. It's trading. It was consolidating in a range, and again it opened it opened gap up, and it started falling. It tried to went up, but a huge sell-off came. So tomorrow we will look if it again tries. If it crosses 14,300, then only we will try to we will enter in the trade, or there may be chances that if it breaks these levels, hit this inside candle, then we can think of going to for selling, there anything can happen. If Reliance is showing weakness, then Nifty can also go, and this support zone can also be broken, and Nifty can go here also. So we have to look in which direction market is going. We have to go with the flow of market. We have to see what kind of opportunity market is showing from its perspective. We don't have to predict that market will go this side, that side. Market will show its opportunity from its side only normally. So just watch, wait and watch and see and listen what market is trying to say from its perspective, from market's perspective. Market will tell you that in which direction he is trying to go. Who is stronger, buyers or sellers, or both are fighting? Let me consolidate. Market will be say around range bound, volatile, sideways. Market itself tells these things. We just have to open our eyes and listen to what, open our ears and eyes and take the vibes from the market. HDFC Bank today tried to go high, very high, but it didn't. At the end, sell-off came. HDFC Bank is continuously in a buying zone, so there are chances that tomorrow there can be a red candle, profit booking candle. As today it show in today's candle it is showing some weakness, so tomorrow's candle there can be chances of a sell-off. So let's see what can happen tomorrow. I don't know what will happen, but market will tell me what will happen tomorrow. So this is for HDFC Bank, and in ICICI Bank also it opened above the what we can opened above the range, but again a huge sell-off came. It is trying to get out of the zone, but it was unable to go outside. ICICI Bank from the starting only it was showing some weakness. ICICI Bank is so this is for ICICI Bank. If it goes above these levels, then we can see, then we can take some trade. 1880 will be our round level. If it goes above this and forms some edge, then we can think of some buying, but before that we will not do anything, as there are multiple resistance and supports. We will just look and we will just take help if it is helping ourselves in any way. Wipro is also trading trading near its resistance zone. Then Techem also went in a bull run. IT stocks were trading near its resistance zone. If it broke, TCS formed head and shoulder pattern. If it breaks this level, then we can think of a huge rally upper side. As TCS is showing a head and shoulder pattern, it can go double or around 40,000 4,000. So we have to just look Infosys. What about Infosys? Infosys is also forming a head inverse head and shoulder pattern. If it goes there and waits and consolidates, and if it breaks, then we can go long in Infosys. And Infosys, TCS, they contribute a very huge part in Nifty, so they will help Nifty to go in the upper side. So let's see tomorrow what happens.